Look at that 543 horsepower Cobra looking bad. Well, you guys, yes, finally, we're gonna be changing the rear end look of this car for like something I've been really excited to do. We're gonna actually be adding like a different look to it. I'm really excited. What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day today so far. Like I said, we're finally gonna be changing the tail lights of this car. I've been wanting to do that for a while now. Been trying to find time. It's just kind of like we're at my job. Like I said, I have a full-time job. We've been working a lot, but we're gonna knock this out. It's actually a pretty day outside, and you guys gotta agree with me. Like this rear end, this thing needs to change a little bit. So we're gonna do that exactly. We're just gonna change this rear end and see what it looks like. So, but I want to say that I don't know. That's crazy. I don't know why. Maybe look at that. I feel like these cracks has gotten worse. I don't remember them looking this rough, but we're gonna change that out anyway. So we're gonna do that. Don't worry about it. But you guys, what did you guys think about the dyno video though? I gotta ask about that. How much power that car made. Like, that was actually really surprising, wasn't it?
Say hi to my dog Bear. Bear says, hey vlog, help me, help my dad get to 1,000 subscribers. Help me, or help him, not help me, help him. 1,000 subscribers, help.
So right quick too, you guys, I want to show you guys, we also are going to be installing a sequential tail light harness for this car. So I kind of want to show you a before of what it looks like. So as you guys can see that when we have the lights on, you see how they blink? That's how they look right now. That's kind of like the before, and I'm going to show you exactly what that sequential harness does. Most of you probably already know what it does, but for those that don't know, I'm going to show you exactly what it does, which is going to be really cool. The first thing we're going to start off is opening the trunk. So pop the trunk open, and the first thing I think we're going to probably start with is this third brake light. We're going to remove that first. So to remove that, you should have two bolts, one right there and one on this side, but I have one bolt, but it's like in there, and then this one's missing a bolt, and this is just all messed up to hell. So we're just gonna remove that. To unplug it, go inside of the car. Mine was never even plugged in. Look, I'm pretty sure this is it right here, and that's the plug-in for it. So I don't even think mine was plugged in, but you unplug it from up here near this light right here. So we should be able to just take out that rubber grommet thing right there, and then it should just kind of come out. The third brake light that's in the car right now is also non-sequential, because we're putting a sequential harness for the tail lights. We're also doing one for the third brake light. So I'm also going to show you guys what the one looks like now and the one that we're putting on the car. So as you guys can see, that's how it looks like. Now with the sequential, we're gonna do an after part of that too. It's gonna look really nice. Like I said, I mean, the third brake light is red, like a pretty deep red, as you can tell on camera, and the tail lights are too. But the new stuff that we have is actually gonna look a lot better to me, in my opinion, with the carbon fiber Cobra letters and just kind of like the black look. You'll see what I'm talking about. But we're gonna go ahead and install those pretty fast. Now, I'm glad it works though, but I'm probably gonna toss it because it's really damaged. This is the one that we're putting in the car. If you want this one, you can get this from Carbon Driven, the sequential third brake light. It's like a blacked out look and it looks really clean. And like I said, it's sequential, so we're gonna put that one on the car. So tell me why I just want to call out this third brake light, and I think I just finished it like completely. This thing just gave up on me, bro. What? Yeah, this thing is goner. But I don't give a crap. It's an old one, we're just gonna pop it out. Now that we got it popped off, as you guys can see, inside there we have one more grommet that we gotta remove, and this third brake light should be coming out pretty easily. Yep, and just like that, we got it out. I don't like it. Yeah, that goes there. If you didn't know, it goes there. So when you take yours out, it goes there. And now we got this thing. Oof. Oh my God, I can't wait to put this in. Same thing. It still has the same grommets to just kind of reverse the process, and it should just go back in. Except you're gonna put screws in this one because this one's not broken. We went ahead and did the first part of it. I just pushed it with a flathead on top just so it would get in there better instead of trying to do it from the bottom. So just grab you a flathead and push it from the top. And then this, you probably do the same exact thing. Just use a flathead and kind of put it in the upper hole right there as well, and then it should be able to just put the light right back in. We just installed the third brake light. Looks very clean, matches the freaking letters. Oof, sexy AF. But we're gonna go ahead and test it out and see what it looks like. So as you guys can see, it turned out really well. So we're gonna go ahead and do the tail lights, another exciting part. Very easy to do the tail lights. All you gotta do is, I know you've probably seen 103 exactly, that exact amount videos of how to do this, but I'm gonna show you because I wanna be 104. You wanna remove each nut. There's 4 of them, and then the tail light should pop off, and then we're also gonna remove the harness because we have a new harness that we're installing. Just to show you guys, booyah! Damn, that looks so good. It's gonna match. But this is the tail lights that we're putting on the car. Got these on eBay. I'm not exactly who. If you look up tinted tail lights, these come up. They're very clean, and they're like much better than the ones that like American Muscle sell and whatnot. So I would get these on eBay if you want some clean tinted tail lights for your new Edge. Alrighty, and now we can open the harness right here, and we're gonna get ready to move all the bulbs from that harness to this harness and then plug it in. So I want to make our lives a little bit easier. These have a number 1, 2, 3, and then you reverse. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out and make sure that you know it is 1, 2, 3, and that's how it's gonna sequential. It goes from 1, 2, 3. So make sure you put this one from this side all the way down. Yeah, you want to make sure that you have your first bulb here and then go 1, 2, 3, and that's how it'll sequential. So just make sure you do that in that order. Look at that, already that looks so damn good. Holy crap, woohoo! I'm telling you guys, I'm sorry. Every time I freaking see stuff with my car, I just get overexcited. I'm like a little freaking girl, I'm telling you. That looks fucking dope. So as you guys can see, this is what it turned out like. You already know we gotta do, hold up. We gotta do this the right way, y'all ready? Ooh, ooh, what? Oh my God. Holy shoot balls. Oh my God, those gotta go. But I'm telling you, oh man, I need a black tag. I need to move to New York. Oof, this is crazy, bro. That looks so good. Those badges are gonna have to be blacked out. I'm sorry, I don't know about that one. I might have to get a decal for that one, but that needs to go. Super clean. I love the way it turned out in the rear. But we're gonna go ahead and test everything out, the sequentials, make sure everything works, and then we'll be good to go. By the way, guys, if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you do that, because I mean, like, why not? Like, what are you guys doing with your life if you're not subscribed? You know what I mean? Come on, let's go. Help your boy grow. Let's go. I'm trying to quit this full-time job. But also, I wanted to tell you guys that we have a surprise coming in for this car. That looks super good compared to like the old. That looks really good. I'm really excited. I'm glad the way it turned out. I don't think it's just me, but I feel like my car's like thanking me right now, like talking really fast. I love you too. But yeah, you guys, this is probably where we're gonna end this video off. That right there is the finished product of the rear end. The rear end now looks very clean. I've been wanting this look for a while with the sequential third brake light. If you want it, please go check out Carbon Driven. They sell all kinds of great products, as you guys can tell. My full, matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys, because why not? And never mind, I guess I'm not showing you guys. I guess I'm not. I was just joking. I'm not gonna show you guys. Okay. But yeah, Carbon Driven, you can get all kinds of carbon fiber pieces for your car. I've gotten any carbon fiber piece I have in my car, I've gotten it from them. So just make sure you check out Carbon Driven for any kind of products that you need. Also, check out David Seda Films. That dude right there, he knows what he's doing, so just check him out as well while you're at it. But yeah, that's what the cars kind of turned out like. The next thing we're gonna do is these bad boys. I haven't seen too many people make videos on them, so we're gonna be changing these out for some actual functional side markers, because these are not functional. We're gonna put some blacked out LED ones in here, and yeah, it's just gonna change the whole look of the car, so stick around for that one. But anyways, you guys, if you guys like this video, like I said, do me a huge favor, drop that thumbs up button, subscribe if you aren't already, comment down below what you think about this. You think you would do this setup for your new Edge Mustang? We have a lot of stuff going on, you know. Like I said, we just made this dyno video before this video, so we made power, you know. We have to get a fuel system, we have to get the Whipple eventually. We got a secret surprise coming in, which I cannot wait to do that, reveal that. But yeah, we're getting stuff done with this car. Like I said, we're I think at 310 subscribers, I think, something like that. But we're doing well, you know, more than I could ask. I can't wait to hit 500 and then 1,000. That's gonna be like, I'm gonna scream like a little girl, I promise. If we get 1,000 subscribers, which I know we will eventually, I'm gonna scream like a little girl. But like I said, please guys, do me a favor and just share this video if you want. Anybody you know with cars, share it, because I'm trying to make it out there one day. You know, I'll have people from my town come up to me and say, oh, keep doing what you're doing. I've seen your car around. I've seen your YouTube channel. And that makes me feel like pretty cool, because I want everybody in my hometown to know who I am. So like I said, if you guys enjoy this video, please do me a favor and subscribe. And you guys, well, I guess it's kind of where we left off, but matter of fact, let's end this the right way. Oh yeah. I'll see you guys later.